So hi everyone, welcome to you all in my another new video. So in this video we are going to know how can you add Instagram highlights in your Instagram profile like this in my side, but without posting any story. Okay, as you know, if you want to add highlights in your Instagram account, then first you have to add that photo in your Instagram story, and from there you can add it to your highlights. Okay, but in this video I am gonna show you a very easy and simple method. From that you can add highlights in your profile but without posting or uploading a story in your Instagram profile. Okay, so what is the trick? Now I will show you. But before we get started, please like this video and subscribe my channel for latest updates. So let's start this video. Okay guys, so if you want to add highlights in your Instagram profile but without posting any story, so simply open your Instagram profile or Instagram app. Now first you have to click on this plus icon and you have to add story. Okay, now I add here one story. I want to highlight this pic. Okay, I want to highlight this pic in my Insta profile. So first I add to my story this picture. Simply click on this right button. Okay, and simply click on this share button. Now this story will go to my Instagram profile story. Okay, done. My story has been created. I refresh this page. So guys, my story has been uploaded. Okay, so simply you have to click on this more button and you have to delete this photo. Okay, now simply click on this delete button and you have to delete this story. Okay, and after you delete, simply refresh this page of your Instagram profile. Okay, now I have deleted that Instagram story which I have currently uploaded, and now you have to wait for 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours means you have to wait for one day. Now after you complete 24 hours, so simply again open your Instagram and then click on this three lines icon, and now you have to click on this your activity. Okay, in second option your activity, so simply click on this your activity and now scroll down, and in the last here you can see second last option recently deleted. Okay, so simply you have to go to this option recently deleted, and now you can see here this same photo. So simply I want to select this as my highlight. Now you have to click on this more option and you have to restore this photo. Okay, you can see here are two options, delete and restore. So simply click on this restore button. Okay, restore. Yeah, updating. Okay, the photo has been restored. Okay, so now you have to click on this story highlights. You can see here new option, so simply click on this add option, and now you can see here that same photo. So simply select that photo and click on this next button. Okay, this same photo I have restored right now. Now I select here one title of this photo, me. Okay, for example I select me as this highlights title and simply click on this done option. Okay, now you can see here guys, the highlights has been created without posting any story in my in my Instagram ID. Okay, you can see the live proof. So this is the method guys, very easy and simple trick. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So bye bye guys.